Good evening everyone. My name is Diksha and today I am going to speak on should school have longer recess time, why or why not. So according to me, school should have longer recess time because nowadays education is also important for everyone, and we also know that nowadays there is so much study pressure on students also. And when we just talk about primary sections, so in primary section there are small students, and for their refreshment break is very important for them, because they also have to complete their notes, and they also have to study. So for their refreshment break is very important. And when we just talk about secondary section, so in secondary section, uh, in that section there is also small students also and big students also. So I think for them also break is very important, because in secondary section there is lot of projects works also. So I think for them also break is very important, because break is very important, because for after work, before we have to take some just refreshment so we can do our after work or study. Because I'm also a student, so I know that very well that playing outside is also important and study is also important, because in recess period all students enjoy their recess period and they just relax also in recess period. And many students like to talk with their friends or play with their friends on ground. So I think that is good for students, and some students relax also. So I think schools should have longer recess time, because in some schools there are only 15 minutes break, and in my school also there is only 15 minutes break. So I think 15 minutes break is not enough for any student, because whole day he is busy, because whole day students are busy in their studies. So I think 15 minutes break is not enough for them, and according to me 30 minutes is enough for any student. So I think in those schools where is only 15-minute break, in those schools recess time should be increased, because if there is only 15 minutes break, this is very less time for student. So in 15 minutes break we should know that how to manage our time, because this is very less time. And we know that in primary section there are small students, so they don't know how to manage their time, so they can face many difficulties also, because when bell is rung, so they just come out from class and start playing or talking with their friends. So they just forget their time, they just waste their time in those things. So they just have they just have less time. So in less time they will not able to eat their tiffin properly also, and that is not good. So I think in those schools recess time should be increased. And in my school, that I have told you that in my school there is also 15 minutes break. So I also have faced many problems, and now I am also facing that my main problem is to manage my time, because I have to manage my tiffin time also and washroom time also. So many times I don't go washroom because of less time, because in my school students are in hurry in recess time, because there is only less time, and some students are not able to eat their tiffin properly also. They are in hurry that now recess will end. So this types of problem face students in less recess time. So I think this school should have longer recess time. Thank you.
Yeah.